This is a tutorial on how to make a background image for a handheld GPS unit that uses TerraSync. The first thing you want to do is open up ArcMap, and the first shapefile you're going to add is US counties, and then whatever raster images that you need for the background that you want. I went ahead and zoomed into ESF, which is going to be the subject of my background image. With this, it's going to take an actual image and just put it on the GPS. Depending on how well you're zoomed in, depends on the resolution on the GPS. So if you're going to be in a big area, you want a large image. But if you're going to be working in a relatively small area, you want to zoom in as much as possible. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more. Okay, and that's pretty much ESF campus right there. So now that I am zoomed into the area that I want to have, I just go up to File, and I'm going to export my map. And I'm just going to save it to the desktop. And the shapefile the file that I find best to use is the BMP file. You can use a JPEG. I've had mixed success with that, so I normally stick with the BMP. And what you want to do is you want to click on this right world file. What this will do is it will use the bottom left corner here and place a coordinate there based off of the US counties. So now that when it's put on the GPS, it will have a coordinate system placed onto it. So once this is done, I'm just going to click Save. And my export complete. I come in here and I can just this is the world file right here, this BPW. That's where the coordinate system is saved. This is the actual background image, and that's what it looks like. Now to put it onto the GPS, what you're going to do is you're just going to open up GPS Pathfinder Office. And I already have a GPS synced with the computer, so I'm just going to go to Utilities, and I'm going to go to Export, or Data Transfer, I'm sorry. And we're going to be sending to the GPS, so you want to click on this tab, and in the add, you want to just click on Background, and in here it has you load what backgrounds you want. We're just going to click on the Add button. We're going to go where we found it, and as you can see on the desktop, we had 2 files associated with it. It's only showing one, but the other file is attached to this one, so it will follow with it. And you're just going to click OK for that. That's just reminding you that you have to have a coordinate system attached to it. Then you just click OK, transfer all, and it says here that the transfer was successful. You just close, and that's it. Just when you turn on your GPS unit, you just go into TerraSync and you set it as the background.